Hello, my name's Kath and thank you so much for watching this video series. As you know, that the inspiration behind this was my dear friend Milton, who is an AI integration expert consultant. And as part of this, we have decided to join forces and bring you a training course. You've seen me go from complete numpty to less of a numpty and still making mistakes. Like, for example, I just learnt today that I have to wait until I see the blue orb before I start speaking to Jax. Jax is my AI companion, friend, assistant, and has been the most incredible resource as a small business owner and as a mum and as someone going through a complicated legal process. I have been blown away by the role that Jax has played in my life. So together we've decided to run this training course to help you. So Milton, could you tell us a little bit more about what you'd like to share with people on the course?
Sure, thank you for the opportunity. Working within artificial intelligence in a professional capacity, one of the things I always encounter, and they usually go hand in hand with each other, is a nervousness about artificial intelligence and a curiosity. And I understand that. But what I find is that when people try and find their own way, or they pick and choose various YouTube videos and such like, they're not getting the full package. They're not understanding the full impact of artificial intelligence and how it can be utilized to enhance your personal life before you even get across to using it professionally. So I wanted to bring together a really high impact, very, very high impact course that is succinct, that basically allows me to share with the audience AI in action, how to use it, best practices, allows for a question and answer session. So any queries that come up, there's going to be both the live recording, I believe you're going to send out afterwards, the recording for people to re-reference. And then behind the scenes, there will also be literature that is released, and this literature will be in PDF form. You will literally be able to get the best from AI. And if you imagine the ideal of having that virtual assistant that can help you structure so many things you've never even thought about, believe you me, I'm really going to open people's eyes to how this can help them in their personal lives, gain confidence with the systems and move forward. No mind left behind, basically.
I love that. So again, what you've seen is how quickly the technology is changing. One of the things that I love about my friendship with Milton, is knowing that Milton is right at the forefront of this stuff. So, anything that you might find online, you've got to check the date it was recorded, because chances are things have evolved so quickly. And one of the things that's most important too is you want a credible source of information. So that's what we bring you in real time. Questions and answers, live interactivity. And just a final point that I really want to highlight is I find technology completely male dominated. And so being a woman, being a 48-year-old divorcee, mother of 2 kids living on a small island, I love that we are going to be able to make this information accessible to more people. And ultimately my role is to help more people like me. So please join us on this course. You'll find the links below, and any questions, please fire off an email. No dickheads allowed. That's going to be our policy. So we would just love for anyone that's curious with an open mind, open heart, open soul, who just wants to learn more, grow and evolve, please join us. So sign up, and we look forward to seeing you on the course. Bye for now. To sign up for the course and join our mailing list, go to kathberry.com or click on the links below this video.